Hi. No. You gonna come see Daddy? Yeah? You gonna come see Slick? Yeah. Look at this guy. Yeah, here you go. You wanna see Slick, eh? You gonna see your friend? You gonna see your friend? Oh, see Daisy. Good girl. Good girl. Now if you want to gently pat Slick, there you go. That's nice and gentle. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, gently, please. Gently? Oh, that's not gentle.
Hi, Charlie.
Who's over there? It's
Hi.
me. Hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy.
We want to show everyone how strong you are. Look at you.
Maybe if Mommy calls you over.
Charlie, do you want to come see Mommy? Do you want to come see Mommy? Come on. Come see Mommy. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Oh. Come on. You can do it. Show everyone how you can do it. Come on. You can do it. Yeah. Oh, you almost had it. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Any day now. Oh. There you go.
Oh, somebody's gonna get there first.
Who's coming? Who's coming? Oh, you're gonna get your ducky? There you go. Good girl.